Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. It's Lynceeluv here again and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you the other gorgeous presents that I received from my family and friends on my special day recently. And before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and click all the notification bells so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. I also would like to thank all of you who are always there supporting me all the time. Okay, let's start. First, I would like to show to you this cute pair of Veja butterfly sneakers. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Please comment down below, guys. Is it Veja or Veja? I did my research and they said it's Veja, so Veja it is. All right. If there's another correct way to say it, please comment down below and I'll try that. All right, so this beautiful butterfly soar on this trendy silk sneakers, right? You can see the butterflies printed all around it. It's so beautiful. And this is a part of special collaboration with the iconic Parisian shop of curiosities, Dayroll. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, if I pronounce the word properly or not. Is it Dayroll, Dayrolling? Let me know. Yes, it's right there. It's written inside. Veja in collaboration with Dayroll. This sneakers fits true to size. The upper part, as what I've said, is the beautiful silk. All these butterflies are silk, and probably you will notice there too the letter V for Veja. Right, it's there. It has a nice brown leather insole. I'll move it closer for you to see it. Sorry if my light is not giving justice to the color of this beautiful leather, guys. It has a rubber sole for traction and durability. And also in here is the letter V, and it's written there Veja. And it has a tie closure, as you can see, and it is made in Brazil. What I love about these sneakers are the different colors of the butterflies. And with that said, I can pair this with almost anything. Shorts, skirts, dress, anything that I want to wear this summer. Maybe also my swimsuits. What do you think, guys? Would you wear this with your swimsuits? But not in the water, right? So there it is, guys. The Veja in collaboration with Dayroll butterfly sneakers. All right, the next one is the luxury sneakers from Burberry. Can you guess, guys, what kind of Burberry sneakers are in here inside this box? Tell me, tell me, tell me. All right, let's unbox it then so that we can all see what's inside. Let's check it out. Ooh. Comes with a nice dust bag with Burberry, London, England written there. Feels like a nice cotton one. And it comes with a tag, Burberry tag, right? It has all the information here, what it is made of. And of course, care card for us to know how to look after our sneakers, right? It's there inside. As you can see, what we got is this pair of vintage check and leather sneakers that are so beautiful. All right, let's remove that and that, and also this one and that one. All right, that's all the mess that we can make. It's made in Italy with the upper part 60% cotton and 40% calf leather, and the lining is 100% sheep leather, and the sole is 100% polyurethane. And as you notice, it has a Burberry word written on it. And these sneakers, guys, are in archive beige color. And as you can see, I can also wear this with almost anything. I can wear it with a dress, skirt, shorts, right? Because of the color of the sneakers. It's so beautiful. So it has a lace-up closure and an optic white logo letter standing out at the heel tab. Indeed, it's a beautiful pair of sneakers and I can't wait to put them on. So yes, this is my first pair of Burberry sneakers and I love them. They look so comfy, so classy, and I think I'm gonna use them often, so why not? So thank you all who shared these blessings to me. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and share it with your friends. Stay safe, stay well, and stay happy. Till next time, bye!